when we talk about our work, we talk about the notions of intellectual humility, of empathy, right? Because this productive conversation and then actually how do you collaborate requires having an emotional connection in addition to just the analytical
Mhm.
question. We talk about curiosity. You've got to be constantly curious as you're trying to work through and solve these problems. And then we talk about courage, usually intellectual courage, right? But since we talk about intellectual humility, we usually talk about this about courage to be able to ask difficult questions, to engage and continue to engage and work through problems. The item I did mention, which is literally in our operating value besides the ones I've just talked about, is this notion of grace and graciousness. I think it is absolutely critical that we recognize that we stand on shoulders of other people in any and all work that we do.
Mhm.
And that we also that is the only way in which we'll get things done over the long term. Can you push things through with partners and other institutions and so on so that things get done? Yes. But if you don't do it with a sense of grace and graciousness that you're working with others, in the end, it's actually going to rebound back at you, right? Like you
Yeah,
need to
yeah,
do it, right? And sometimes you need to do that, right? I get that. And sometimes, guess what? There's organizational structure, and I'm the president, and I do get to make the decision,
yeah.
right? So I don't want to kind of overplay it, but I just think I think grace is a lost value. But at the same time, when we see it, we know it, and it really kind of makes us both feel whole, but it also makes us feel like these are people I want to work with.